Do you get pain in your shoulders when you try to lift your elbows up or move your arms? 9 times out of 10, most of us have some form of internal rotation, whether that's from driving, texting, working, or typing. Now, some of the muscles and the small muscles around the back through here, through what you class as the rotator cuffs, there's lots of small muscles in here that add up and make up the rotator cuff. They can get overstretched and quite weak. And inevitably, that lack of postural support is what's going to create either an impingement or pain that feels like an impingement in the shoulder. So I've got one exercise for you today that can really help develop the strength and stability around that shoulder joint, and it is a reverse fly. Now, what you need to do is have a bench set up on an incline, and you're actually going to support yourself with the forearm here, so you're locked in position, and you're going to use this spare arm. Now, what we're going to do here, very important, you're locked into position. From this position, drive up to shoulder height and lower back down again. From here, roll the shoulder back, set it in place, drive up shoulder height and lower back down again. Every time, reset that shoulder, lock it in place, drive up and slowly lower. Lock it in, drive up, slowly lower. So what you'll see here is that locking in of the position actually activates everything in the rear delts rather than allowing it to swing through internal rotation. You're going to do this single-sided, so you really have to focus on one arm at a time, as inevitably you will always have one side stronger than the other.